and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Bancor pauses impermanent loss protection due to hostile market conditions. Mounting crypto liquidation risk causes DeFi to take extreme steps. Bitcoin rebounds after weekend slump, trades below $20,000. Musk says he will keep supporting DogeCoin despite the $258 billion lawsuit. Kwon, Terraform Labs, others hit with class action lawsuit. Coinbase faces class action lawsuit over stablecoins, GYEN, USTC. Israel collaborates with Hong Kong to test digital currency risk. India Sothebys International Realty to enter Metaverse with NFT real estate. The DeFi insurance protocol Bancor has announced that they would be suspending their impermanent loss protection due to hostile market conditions. The features sought to protect users from impermanent loss, a risk when a person provides liquidity to a pool, the ratio of deposited asset changes, and the person winds up with more of the tokens that's worth less. Bancor said in the announcement that withdrawals performed during this unstable period will not be eligible for IL protection. Users who remain in the protocol will continue earning yields and be entitled to withdraw their fully protected value when IL protection is reactivated. Many views this as Bancor holding their crypto hostage because they would take a major loss if they withdrew while IL protection was paused. The insurer also said the two large centralized entities, likely Celsius and Three Arrow Capital, have rapidly liquidated their BNT positions and withdraw a large amount of liquidity. Bancor also wrote that another entity has opened a large shot against BNT. The record-setting rout in cryptocurrencies has put a bunch of decentralized finance applications and their communities in a race to protect themselves against a cascade of liquidations, sometimes by employing unprecedented measures. On Sunday, token holders of SolEnd, a lending app on the Solana blockchain, voted to temporarily take over a large user's account that faced the threat of a large liquidation, an extreme move for DeFi that appears to be a first. A day earlier, MakerDAO, an app that supports stablecoin DAI and is run by a crypto community that formed one of the first decentralized autonomous organizations, suspended the token from being deposited and minted in DeFi crypto lending platform Aave. Bitcoin rebounded in Monday morning India trades after falling below $18,000 on value buying and tracking higher US Nasdaq futures. US stock futures rose modestly during Monday morning India time after major benchmark averages posted their third consecutive weekly declines, finishing at 16-month lows amid growing concerns that the Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate hike will push the economy into a recession. Nasdaq traded 0.20% higher while S&P 500 traded up 0.22% ahead of US stocks opening. Bitcoin's price briefly recovered above $20,000 Monday morning in Asia after falling to as low as $17,708 on Sunday, its lowest point since December 2020. Ether, which touched as low as $881 in the sell-off, climbed 16% to $1,140, while alternative coins from Avalanche to Solana also enjoyed gains. Bitcoin is currently trading at $19,744, up by 5.61% in the last 24 hours. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency, is trading at $1,076, up by over 10% in the similar time frame. Elon Musk, the world's richest man and self-proclaimed Doge father, has declared his unwavering support for the leading meme cryptocurrency DogeCoin. The Tesla CEO tweeted that he will keep supporting DogeCoin. Musk also revealed in response to a user that he is still buying the meme coin. Musk's declaration of his continued support for DogeCoin comes a few days after an American investor, Keith Johnson, filed a $258 billion lawsuit against him and two of his companies, Tesla and SpaceX, for allegedly promoting Doge and manipulating the price of the cryptocurrency. As usual, Doge reacted to the billionaire's tweet and the price surged by over 12% from $0.052 to $0.060 despite the bearish market. A class action lawsuit filed on Friday accuses DogeCoin, Terraform Labs, and others of selling unregistered securities and making false statements about the stability of the Terra USD stablecoin and related token Luna to induce investors to purchase them. Other defendants named in the case include Jump Crypto, Jump Trading, Republic Capital, Republic Maximal, Tribe Capital, GSR Markets, Three Arrow Capitals, and Nicholas Pelletias. Even though the Terra token bear all the hallmarks of being investment contracts and thus securities under the Howey test, the lawsuit said that no registration statements have been filed with the SEC. The suit seeks restitution of the monetary value of the purchase price of the Terra tokens and attorney fees for the plaintiff and all others similar situated. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court, Northern District of California by Scott Plus Scott attorneys at law. A class action suit was filed against Coinbase claiming the trading platform was negligent in its listing of the Terra USD Classic stablecoin and alleging that it failed to disclose its financial relationship with Terra Labs. This is the second class action suit outstanding against Coinbase. A suit was filed last month in connection with the depegging of GYEN in November. The recent lawsuit alleges that Coinbase was negligent for failing to conduct due diligence of Terraform Labs before it listed USTC and misrepresented Terra USD Classic's risk as an algorithmic stablecoin. The suit also claims Coinbase Ventures, the investment arm of the company, was one of the largest backers of Terraform Labs, and that was an additional motivation for the company not to disclose USTC's volatility. The plaintiffs and classes in the case are represented by law firms Milberg, Coleman, Breeson, Phillips, Crossman, and Erickson Kramer Osborne. The Bank of Israel announced in a statement that it is cooperating with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority to test a new digital currency against cybersecurity vulnerabilities. The combined effort, which will use a two-tier central bank digital currency, will begin in the third quarter. The retail CBDC is being developed so that intermediaries such as banks may handle it without exposing their clients' financial information, and the testing process will determine whether this makes it less vulnerable to hackers. Such an exposure-free CBDC may carry less financial risk for the customer, more liquidity, lower cost, increased competition, and wider access, as per the Bank of Israel. The Bank for International Settlements Innovation Unit will also take part in the trial. India's Sothebys International Realty, a global luxury real estate consultancy firm, has acquired the architectural and design practice of Delhi-based architect Arjun Sodhi, who will lead ISIR's virtual design and NFT real estate initiatives in the emerging Metaverse landscape. ISIR is the first real estate firm in India to join the Metaverse. Arjun Sodhi is excited about venturing into NFTs for trophy properties and seeking opportunities and providing high-quality strategic consulting design solutions to the Web3 real estate industry. ISIR's white glove services include everything from property identification through legal due diligence, tax and wealth counseling, mortgage arrangement, vastu, and even relocation services. The ISIR network has 1,000 offices and 25,000 sales associates across 79 countries. In 2021, it achieved a record real estate global sales volume of $204 billion. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.